Good Thursday evening to you. Richard Scott here for the forecast update. The summer ridge continues in place. That means hot weather, at least for the short term here in Alabama. I look at a radar about 9:50 on this Thursday night. What you see is ground clutter, no precip. Will stay dry tonight. Did make it up to 99 at Jasper. Goodness, 91 Birmingham, 93 in Tuscaloosa, 91 in Anniston. Many of us reaching at least the lower 90s. There was a couple of pop-up showers early on radar. Those are very brief, and most areas did stay dry. As begins to approach 10 o'clock hour, we got mid to upper 70s across the board for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham especially. Dew points in the lower 70s. Feel the humidity, and tomorrow morning we'll start the day off in the low 70s. I expect plenty of sunshine for our Friday. If you've got plans outdoors, lunchtime up to 89, 91. By 3 o'clock, it is going to be a hot day. Across southern U.S., the warm air continues, but meanwhile, look at the cold stuff across the central and northern plains, 30s and 40s there. In fact, some areas across North Dakota getting some snow tonight. Again, here locally, we'll stay well above average for this time of year. Average highs in the low 80s, average lows in the mid 50s. We're going to be way above that really for the rest of the week into the weekend. Here's our forecast model into tonight and on Friday. Maybe a stray afternoon storm on Friday. Also on Saturday, the risk of rain does look pretty small. Many areas will be dry. Out of the tropics, we got Tropical Storm Leslie. Winds at 65. It's a weakening tropical storm now, moving north at about 12. Another system watching carefully is down in the Caribbean, and this could become a tropical system. The National Hurricane Center gives us about a 50% chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm. Looks like this could come into the southern Gulf sometime late in the weekend or early next week. Again, we've got time to watch it, but with the up air setup with the ridge over the southeast and trough over the plains, we'll need to watch it certainly very carefully with those steering currents like that. Here's your local forecast. The temperatures will be in the lower 90s over the weekend. Again, the risk of rain less than 10%, but next week by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll begin to watch the tropics carefully. Again, I don't think it's anything immediately threatening, but that could change. So let's watch it. The Gulf's still plenty warm enough. The big thing would be is there some wind shear to keep things from becoming well organized.